Alright, I'm shooting a video today because I got a NQD Tear Into boat. It's a cheap Walmart grade, basically a Jetboat. A lot of people buy it and modify it, change the electronics and stuff to make it relatively useful. So I just got that, so I'm just going to do a little bit of an unboxing for it. I bought 3 of these. I got them from a website called banggood.com. Kind of a funny website, and it took a long time to get here, about a month, if not more. So it was not the best experience, but at least I got them because they're out of stock at a lot of places, so I'm glad I received them. So this is how it came. This is how it arrived at my place. I got 3 of them. They were all kind of taped together. This is one of the 3. So as you can see, it's just taped like crazy everywhere. Alright, so here it is. I'm just gonna kind of get into this thing without hopefully taking too long. Violently hacking away at it. And a small wrapping of foam around it. Not packaged very well at all. Kind of skeptical about how this is going to come out of here, if it's going to be damaged, but I guess we'll find out. So alright, there it is. It's the, what is it called? NQD 757 RC Jetboat, commonly referred to as Tear Into on the forums. Pop it out of the box here and see what we got. Seems the box is very cheap, but again, it's just a consumer grade, not hobby grade, so I'm not sure what to expect. I'm sure it'll be crap, but that's okay. And there it is, out of the box. We have here the radio, dinky radio, feels real cheap, plasticky. I'm sure it is. It says on the box it's supposed to be 40 megahertz, but this is 27 megahertz, so I'm not sure what the boat actually is. Some batteries, 700 mAh NiCad 9.6 volt. It's just 8 AA's essentially. 9 volt battery, I assume that's just for the radio. And over on this side is a power brick. Just charge the battery. European or something plug, I don't know. Won't work for me, but that's good because I probably won't be using it anyway. And an Allen key. That's for adjusting the steering back there. And on the back here we've got a few more things. We've got an antenna tube for the boat, an antenna tube for the radio, or an antenna for the radio. And what's this? Looks like a stand for the boat. Let's just pop in. And the boat just sits on it like that. So there we go. That's the unboxing for the Tear Into Jetboat. This I was hoping to keep one of these as a recovery option, just in this stock form, but I don't think that's going to happen because this is the second one I've opened up and it's everything inside is loose, just like in my previous one. So I'm going to have to take it apart and see what's going on in there. I'll probably have to change some stuff, like the wiring in the previous one is all ripped out. Look at the exhaust here is all pushed in, and It's just really terrible quality out of the box, but even the steering is all busted up. Luckily, the only thing we really care about from this is the hull and the jet assembly. So we're going to change the motor speed control, all the electronics, so realistically it's not a big deal. But if I was expecting a consumer grade boat that I could just take out there and drive, I would be thoroughly disappointed by this. It is cheap quality, but for what we want it for, it's even these ones pushing, it should be sufficient by the time I'm done with it. But that's the Tear Into Jetboat unboxing. Really ridiculous. I mean, even as a consumer $25 item, it's still garbage. If I were buying this without the intentions of modifying it, I would be very disappointed. But that's not what I bought it for. I bought it to modify it, so we'll have to get into that in another video. We'll see how this goes.